guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to draw Dennis the Menace. Let me draw your attention for a bit. This drawing lesson is going to be for beginners. It's going to be step by step. But this is easy pictures to draw, so let's get into it. You'll have a lot of fun. Today we're going to go and we're going to use this Crayola brand marker to do the entire thing. Dennis the Menace, I'm going to do the 80s version of him. Give me a comment if you remember who Dennis the Menace was. I'm sure if you're watching this you do remember, but really give me a comment. I'm very curious. It's something that I watched when I was a little kid, but I don't see it much anymore. But let's go over this. So I'm going to start with the kind of a round curve for the bottom of his face. Another curve for the ear. His hair is gonna cut across his face almost, cut across his eyes. Other side of the hair. Gotta tuck the ear here. Top portion of the hair as well. Thin line, he has these thin wispy lines for his hair. He also had a newspaper comic, I forgot about that. I'm not sure if that's the original newspaper. Pulling up, he has a big part coming off. And it comes back down to join the rest of the skull. Another little line right there to show the parts in the hair. Dot for an eye. Dot for the other eye. Circle nose. It's like an upside down C. And small little C's for the nostrils. A little U shape. Draw a dot for his open mouth. And then the cheek right there. It's going to be squishing into his smile. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's going to be, he's got freckles. Another C shape for the far side ear. Pull down for the neck area. Pull down again for the other side of the neck. Pull across. Shoulders here. And he's actually wearing overalls, so gonna draw a square section here. Pulling down. More down for his torso area. Sleeve. Sleeve. His arm goes down. Around the overalls. Straight line, kind of in that overall section. And I'm gonna draw just a quick indicator for his hand. And his hand has this almost like Popeye-like hand. Pull down. He usually has a slingshot, but I'm not going to draw it right now. Draw his hand to his side as well. Pull out. Out. Bottom portion of his pants become pretty large. Almost pretty baggy, but I'm thinking in very, how do you say that? Very square shapes, like very blocky forms. Pull up. It's a seam. Seam in the middle. Because remember, these are overalls. And overalls have kind of we're just going to draw like a square shape on each side. They just kind of have this vague shape to them, but they should be the same color. Buttons on that side. And then he's got these flat tennis shoes, which look basically like flat tires. One more thing though. The shirt underneath has a striped pattern on it, so that's what I'm gonna put. I used to watch Dennis the Menace on TV when I was younger. And I also used to read him in the newspaper. I'm not sure if he's still in the newspaper, but I know a lot of people don't read the newspaper anymore. I am so amazingly curious if anybody, if this thing's gonna get any views. This is a classic character, but like I said, I would be amazed if this got a decent amount of views. I'm so curious what this is gonna do. Actually, am I gonna draw? Nah, I was gonna draw his slingshot, but forget it. Not right now. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you watching this. It's a great pleasure to do all this stuff for you guys. I have a lot of cool things coming too as well. But yeah, just amazing journey so far. Don't forget to go to easythingstodraw.net. If you enjoyed this, I have a lot of tutorials on there, and with articles actually on them as well. But I also tend to have a beginner's program on there. I have a store that's not yet, it's coming though. I'm gonna put a store on there, and many more things. Thanks so much, guys. I just make sure to go check out that site and comment on an article. That really helps me out. It also helps, everybody else out. I really want to kind of make that a hub for all the YouTube channels I have. We'll all connect there. But I'm going to try to add some more freebies on that to, really give value to everyone. So, all right. I'll talk to you next time, guys. I'll see you soon. And have a great arty time. I'm trying to think of, cool phrases. I just can't think of one. Sorry. See you later.